Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on January 17, 2026, about 10 days ago. It addresses the critical gap in generating accurate scientific visuals, showing that a new logic-driven framework called ImgCoder achieves nearly 78% validation accuracy, whereas many open-source models struggle to break 40%. The paper is titled Scientific Image Synthesis, Benchmarking, Methodologies, and Downstream Utility. And as we'll see later, this approach doesn't just make better images. It actually helps large multimodal models reason better about science. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 maps out the study's three main components. The left panel contrasts standard pixel-based generation, which often struggles with alignment, against the proposed ImgCoder framework at the bottom, which uses an understand, plan, and code workflow to ensure precision. Moving to the top right, the diagram outlines the SciGen bench dataset, organizing problems across 5 subjects and 25 image types. Finally, the bottom right details the evaluation pipeline, using LLM judges and factual quizzes to strictly verify scientific correctness. Well, having just seen the pipeline in Figure 1, Table 1 now lists the specific criteria the automated judge uses to score images. The rubric spans 5 distinct dimensions to ensure rigorous evaluation. For instance, correctness and fidelity ensures strict adherence to the prompt, catching basic compositional errors. Layout and precision focuses on geometric construction, which is essential for accurate scientific diagrams. Finally, the scientific plausibility metric is unique here, checking that the visual content actually respects domain axioms, like valency balance in chemistry or Newton's laws in physics. So applying those criteria reveals a fundamental trade-off, which Figure 2 illustrates perfectly. On the left, we see a test of mathematical precision involving the function y equals x natural log x. The pixel-based model, NanoBanana Pro, generates a smooth curve, but it is mathematically inaccurate, basically just a generic shape. In contrast, the code-based Gemini Flash ImgCoder produces an exact, executable plot. However, looking at the right side for expressiveness, the roles reverse. For a physics problem about a spring, the pixel-based model creates a rich, textbook-quality illustration, while the code-based version outputs a simplified, schematic diagram. Alright, following that qualitative look, Table 2 presents the comprehensive quantitative results across the full benchmark. We can see a clear hierarchy in the first column, which reports the inverse validation rate. At the top, open-source text-to-image models struggle significantly, hovering around 30 to 40% accuracy. Moving down to the closed-source models, performance jumps, with NanoBanana Pro reaching about 73%. However, the logic-driven ImgCoder framework at the bottom consistently takes the lead, achieving nearly 78% accuracy with Gemini 3 Pro, confirming that code-based generation offers superior structural precision. Well, to understand the nature of these failures, Figure 3 breaks them down into 5 qualitative categories. On the far left, the compositional error shows a basic misalignment, where the model draws 5 capacitors instead of the requested 4. In the center, the domain knowledge error represents a scientific hallucination, creating a molecule that looks real but contains an extra atom. Then, the 2 columns on the right illustrate structural and dense data errors. These involve failures in geometric logic or complex matrices, which the authors note are the most persistent bottlenecks for pixel-based models. Okay, while Figure 3 highlighted potential errors, Figure 5 demonstrates why fixing them matters for downstream training. The leftmost chart tracks training reward curves, where models trained on filtered, high-quality data shown in green achieve consistently higher rewards than the unfiltered baselines. This advantage carries over to the middle plot, where the validation accuracy for the filtered NanoBanana Pro dataset stays significantly above the blue unfiltered curve. Finally, the rightmost graph reveals a crucial scaling law. As the number of synthetic training samples grows, downstream accuracy increases log linearly, suggesting that simply generating more high-fidelity data is a viable path to better reasoning. Wrapping up, the main takeaway is that while standard image models struggle with scientific precision, logic-driven frameworks like ImgCoder effectively bridge this gap. Crucially, the authors show that training on this rigorous synthetic data directly boosts downstream reasoning performance. This confirms that generating better scientific visuals is a viable path to building smarter multimodal AI. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.